Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. This is the official website, so you can download the driver. Then you can see here search button. You just enter, click on, and after that you have to type your model number of motherboard and then hit enter. Click on product, then click to the title of the motherboard. Then click to support. Select your operating system because all Windows 10 and 11 both operating system installations process same. Select any. WLAN means Wi-Fi. You extract, you can see Wi-Fi driver and click to download. Then guys, it is downloaded Wi-Fi driver. Just open exe. Then click to yes for administrators to install. This is extracting to your system for the installation. Now this is installing the driver of the Wi-Fi. It will close automatically when this is installed. So it is closed means this is installed. Thank you.